Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress website. I'm Brian from Website Learners. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install and use Google Analytics on your WordPress site. So first, let's see what is Google Analytics. Now Google Analytics is a very simple tool which helps you see everything that's happening on your site. So with the help of this tool, you can see how your site is performing so that you can take steps to improve it. Now, what does Google Analytics show? It shows things like how many people are visiting your site, where are they coming from, are they coming from Google, Facebook or Twitter, how much time they are spending on your site, and then the most visited pages on your site. All these things look super exciting, right? So let's get started. First, let's see the website where we want to add the Google Analytics. Here it is. So this is the site which I built with WordPress. Now if you don't have a WordPress website, you can easily create one by watching this video. Now to add Google Analytics to your website, we are going to do two parts. The first part is to create an account in Google Analytics. So to create your account, let's go here and then type Google Analytics and press enter. Now click the first link and it will take you to this page. Now to create your account, click setup for free. And now you need to enter an account name. Now in Google Analytics, one account can have multiple websites. So enter any name you want. I'm going to enter 𝗪cie𝗿𝗀𝗍𝗍. Once you have entered the account name, just scroll down and click next. Now, as we want to install analytics on our website, let's click web and then click next. And now, you need to enter the details of your website. So just enter your website's name. And here, enter your website's URL which you want to track with Google Analytics. So to get the URL, let's go to our website. Copy this URL. And then go back and paste it here. Once you've entered the URL, click create. So now we have successfully created our Google Analytics account. Once you've created your account, we can go to part 2 of adding Google Analytics to our website, which is to connect this account with our WordPress website. So to connect this account with WordPress, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to install the Google plugin on our WordPress website. So to install the plugin, let's go to our dashboard. Now go to plugins and click add new. Now search for a plugin called Webspacekit by Google. And you will get this plugin. This is the plugin which will help us connect our Google Analytics account to our website. So to install this plugin, let's click install. And then click activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin on our site. Once you've installed the plugin, we can go to the next step of connecting Google Analytics to our website, which is to set up the Google plugin. So to set it up, click Start Setup and it will take you to this page. Now click Sign In and then sign in to your Google account. Now click Allow and then click Proceed. Now to set up the plugin, again click Allow and then finally click Add Site. Now click Go to my dashboard. So now we have successfully set up our plugin. Once you've set up the plugin, we can now go to the final step, which is to connect the Google Analytics account which we created with our website. So to connect it, just go to Analytics and click Connect Service. And then sign in to your Google account. Now click Allow. And it will take you to this page. Now here, you can see that we have got the same account information which we created before. Now to connect this account with our website, let's click Configure. And as you can see, our Google Analytics will now be connected to our WordPress website. So now we have successfully connected Google Analytics with our website. So this means Google Analytics is now working on our site. So to check it, let's go to Google Analytics, click Real Time, and then click Overview. Now here, you can see that it says 0, which means we've got 0 visitors right now. But now, if we click here and open a new window and then go to our website, you can see that it changes to 1 visitor. So this means our site is successfully connected to Google Analytics and we can now measure the performance of our site. Once you've connected Google Analytics with your site, Google will start capturing your site's data and you will be able to see it in the next few days. So next, let's see how you can see the performance details and how you can use them. So after a few days, if you go back to your WordPress dashboard and then go to SiteKit and click Analytics, you can see that we're able to get these details about our website. Now let's look at these details one by one. Now, the first number which is here is the number of users who have visited your site in the last 28 days. And here, you can see the graph of those users for each day of the month. And here, you can see the average time they are spending on your site. Now if we scroll down, on this section, you can see the pages on your site which are getting the most number of views. So this page has been visited around 800 times in the last month. Next, if we scroll down here, you can see how people are coming to your site. So as you can see, we have 3 different traffic sources here: direct, organic, and referral. Direct are the users who visit your site directly by typing your website address on their browser like this. The next one is called organic. Now, these are the users who came to your site after searching on search engines like Google. For example, if a user types your website's name on Google and press enter, and the last one is called referral. These are the users who came by clicking the link from another site. These are the 3 different sources of traffic. And here, you can see the percentage of each source. Now if you want to get full information about your website, you can click here to go to the Google Analytics website where you can see the full statistics. So this is how you can know the source of traffic on your website. Next, let's see how your site is performing on the Google search results. Once you set up the Google Sitekit plugin on your site will also be connected to the Google Search Console. Now with the help of the Google Search Console, you can see things like the position at which your site is appearing on Google, and which keywords people are searching for before reaching your site. So this will give you the information about how your site is performing on Google. So to check that, let's click Search Console. Here you will be able to see the performance of your site on Google search. The first one is total clicks. This shows the number of times people have clicked on your website from Google search. Next is the total impressions. This is the number of times your website has appeared on Google search results. If you publish more useful content on your website, you will get more impressions, which will increase the number of clicks or visits you get from Google. Next is called average CTR, also called as click-through rate. So this number shows out of every 100 people who see your site on Google search, how many clicks on your site. So if this number is higher, it means that more people are clicking on your site from the search results. To improve this number and to get more people to click on your link, you need to make your post titles and description more attractive on Google search. To learn how to control title and description on your site, you can watch this video. So this is what CTR means. Next, we have average position. This is the average position at which your site appears on the Google search results for all the keywords you have ranked for. Next, if you want to see the search terms for which your content is ranking, just scroll down, and here you can see the exact search terms which people are using to find your site. Now to get more details about this, you can click here to go to the Google Search Console. So this is how you can see the performance of your site on Google search. Now instead of seeing your website's performance in numbers, if you want to see how people are actually using your site, like which part of the page they are seeing and where are they clicking on your site, you can get these features by using an analytics tool called Smart Look. Now once you add this tool, and when people start visiting your website, their activity will be recorded as videos like this. And now if you click play on any of these videos, you can see the exact things which the user did on your website. So here you can see that a visitor is going to our blog and then reading our blog post. Now this tool is very useful to understand how the visitors interact with your website so that you can take steps to make your site better. Now to get this tool for your website, just click the link below this video and it will give you a 10 days free trial of this tool. So that's it guys. Now you know how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. And make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.